What's up guys? Did you know that the boomerang feature within Instagram story has changed recently? Well, they've added a few more things to it, so let me show you, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram, and if you enjoy these types of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So first things first, let's jump into our Instagram app. And so tap onto your camera icon on the top left-hand corner, and then what you need to do here is slide across over to Boomerang, and then you can see here, I'm just going to quickly take a video, and as you can see there is a little infinity icon on top. You need to tap onto that, and then here you can see this is the classic version of it. If you slide across, there is a slow-mo version, and if you go across again, echo, and lastly you got duo, which is like very glitchy. And you can also trim your boomerang as well. So yeah, so Instagram has added this feature recently, and of course don't forget to update your Instagram app if you want this new feature. And of course Instagram may have not rolled it out to everyone around the world, so it may just be within your region only, but have fun with it if you have it. If you have any other questions for me, let me know in the comment section below. And that's all for me for now, and I will see you on the next one.